Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of June, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -9.18%. This amounts to an average daily loss of -1.02% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an advantageous buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $291.84 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 21.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 20.27% to 63.79%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 21.04%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 0.16% to 117.08% in the next year. In present terms, this would position the future price between $296.35 and $642.28. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline: Tesla stock price ended at $295.88 on Wednesday, after losing 0.648%. The Tesla stock price fell by 0.648% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, from $297.81 to $295.88. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.25%, ranging from a day low of $293.55 to a day high of $300.15. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a drop of 13.1% during this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day, aligning with the stock's decline, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should correspond with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 27 million shares, with a total of 75 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $22.05 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest was $182. Currently, the price stands at 39.44%, or $192.66, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla shares are facing pressure as a group of major shareholders has urged the company's board to schedule its overdue annual meeting, emphasizing legal obligations and governance concerns. With the last meeting having taken place over a year ago, investor dissatisfaction may impact the stock in the short term, as clear communication and accountability are essential for stabilizing market confidence. Adding to the intrigue, Elon Musk's public disagreement with analyst Dan Ives regarding his political activism and governance suggestions has the potential to create volatility. Investors are cautious, as Musk's political activities could divert attention from Tesla's core business, particularly at a time when delivery numbers have declined year over year. On a more positive note, new proposed electric vehicle tax legislation could provide a boost, attracting capital into the sector. This development may enhance market sentiment surrounding Tesla, especially as the company seeks to stabilize production and regain its competitive edge. Analysts hold mixed views on Tesla's outlook, with price targets varying significantly, reflecting uncertainty about production and consumer demand in key markets. Expectations for revenue growth are cautiously optimistic, with some analysts forecasting a revenue increase to over $117 billion, driven by rising electric vehicle adoption. However, Tesla must navigate increasing competition and challenges in both the United States and European markets, as well as potential impacts from ongoing trade tensions. In summary, while shareholder governance issues and executive distractions present short-term challenges for Tesla's stock, developments in tax legislation and potential market recoveries could offer longer-term benefits. Investors should prepare for continued volatility as these dynamics evolve. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of July 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned TSLA a market perform rating and indicated a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 26th of June 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy rating while suggesting a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TSLA a sell rating and recommended a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight rating and indicated a downgrade action. On the same day, Friday, the 20th of June 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform rating while suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Tesla stock is reporting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, creating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $305.24 and $326.35. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 18.47%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 103 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $284.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.60 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.25%. For the past week, the stock has displayed daily average volatility of 2.88%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 430 million. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $300.71. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sell of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which give the right to buy. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider buy of 15,000 shares of common stock. Again, on the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sell of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sell of 6,538 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider buy of 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 51.636. Overall, insiders purchased 1,117,872 shares and sold 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock displays several negative signals, and despite its recent positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of July, we expect Tesla to open higher by approximately 647 hundredths of a dollar, starting trading at $296.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.